BowFlex Electech 5.1S. This bench right here is a solid bench, has a 600-pound capacity. You can see the seat can be locked up in this position, or it can be dropped down into this position. This one stores away, so it's easy to move and stow away. The bench has 6 locking positions. Each position locks like so. Boom. And then there's 6 positions. That's number 1. That's number 2. That's number 3. That's number 4. That's number 5. And you got number 6 down here. So 6 position, and in this position right here, you can also just stow it away because it's got wheels. You can roll it away and stow it in the corner where you're not using it. It's really relatively lightweight, but it's a very strong bench. Obviously, it's a solid bench. This one kicks down like this or locks in place, and then you have a nice solid bench for your presses like this. There is a gap here, but it doesn't bother me because it's in the middle, so when you're working out, you have a place to hook your foot and you do your presses, you can do your sit-ups. It's a strong bench. It's a fantastic bench, and if you want to, you can do your back muscles here like this. For example, in this position, put your feet here and do your back muscles. It's a great solid bench, a perfect addition to any gym. The BowFlex 5.1S right here.